If you want to make your Prezi presentation look more visual, more polished, and much easier to understand, adding diagrams is a great place to start. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add diagrams in Prezi presentations step by step, so you can bring your ideas to life in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the presentation you want to edit inside Prezi. Once your presentation is open, look at the top panel of the editor. This is where Prezi keeps most of the tools you need for building and customizing your design. From the top panel, select the Shapes option. This will open a menu with different visual elements you can add to your presentation. Next, from the drop-down menu, go to the Diagrams tab. Inside that tab, you'll find different diagram-style shapes that can help you organize information, compare ideas, or create a more professional-looking layout. Once you find the diagram you want, all you have to do is click and drag it onto the presentation. Prezi makes this process very easy, so you can place it wherever it fits best in your slide or canvas. After you add the diagram, you can usually resize it, move it around, and adjust it to match the rest of your presentation design. This is especially useful if you want to highlight steps, show relationships, or break down complex information into something more visual and engaging. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to add diagrams in Prezi presentation. It's a quick way to make your content look cleaner, smarter, and more professional. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.